Quick introduction to coordinate graphing Battleship. You have maybe played the real game Battleship with the pegs. We are going to do that with just pencil and paper here. Your battlefield and your opponent's battlefield. You're going to place ships. You're going to have 5 ships total on your battlefield right here. And there's going to be one carrier composed of 5 dots, 2 destroyers, each composed of 4 dots, and 2 submarines, each composed of 3 dots. These dots must be only placed vertically or horizontally. We won't have any diagonal lines. You're going to take turns by calling out different ordered pairs and marking your paper with an X if it's a hit and an O if it's a miss on your opponent's battlefield. That will help you know where you have already guessed over here. The winner is the first person to find all 5 of your opponent's ships.